Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming rules and exact ceiling height. This avoids removal later. Once done, locate studs with a stud finder and mark 2 strong anchor points directly into studs. You need secure load points. Make pilot holes and insert 3/8 lag bolts just enough to hold a temporary strap. Make sure to measure mattress clearance, about 18 to 24 inches, and prepare plywood shims for any uneven contact. Begin lifting with your partner as you tighten the first anchors. Once the frame is held at loft height, you lift evenly. Small adjustments prevent twisting. While one person holds, attach L brackets at each corner and add cross braces every 16 inches to distribute load. This prevents sagging. Make sure to check alignment with a level before fully tightening. Next, fasten the mattress platform to the frame using 1/4-inch bolts and lock washers so the platform won't shift. Finally, recheck all fasteners and studs to confirm. You finish by installing a sturdy ladder and a guardrail positioned 5 inches above the mattress top so you won't roll off. Once in place, perform a load test. Apply roughly 150% of expected weight in the center and at corners for 30 seconds to detect movement. If you notice wobble or creak, tighten all anchors, add a diagonal brace between frame and studs, or move the anchor location to a stronger stud pair. Make sure to recheck periodically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.